Namaste everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Gayana. In this video, we are going to learn the pose called Mermaid Pose. This pose is a variation of King Pigeon Pose. This pose involves deep back bending along with hip opening stretches. Let us see how to perform this Mermaid Pose. Begin with downward facing dog, Kasyapasana. From here, bring your right leg forward to King Pigeon Pose. So first try to practice this pose. If you have any space under the leg, you can use a block or else blanket. From here, bend your back leg. Try to lock your ankle from the other hand and stay here. So this is a modified variation of Mermaid Pose. Slowly drop your legs down and relax. After locking the ankles, try to pull your leg closer to your body. Try to lock your elbows and stay here. Slowly release. Stay as much as possible, like 2 breaths or 3 breaths. Now slowly bend forward down. Just relax. Now slowly come up. Now bend your back leg. Slowly move your hand further. Yes, from the other hand, lock your fingers and stay here. Or else, if you want, you can interlock the fingers or else lock your fingers. From here, slowly pull your elbows upward over the head. Look forward and stay there. Now slowly release. Bend forward and relax. This pose requires very deep open on the hip, and you need to ensure you have done preparatory pose to increase the flexibility in the area of your legs and the hip. If not, you can also strain your hip flexors, or else you might get strain on your hip flexors and maybe even get an injury in your knee area by practicing it too much. Benefits of this pose. This asana will help in stretching the hip, glute and the shoulders. It is also back bend that opens the heart. This pose you will develop greater flexibility in your hip, shoulders and the back. I hope this video is helpful for you with the practicing of Mermaid Pose. That's it for today. Hope you like this video. See you on next video. Till then, take care and namaste.